Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to access Google Drive directly from your Windows search bar in 2025. So this trick makes it super easy to find your cloud files without opening a web browser every time. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to have the Google Drive for desktop application installed. In order to download and install it, you can either open your web browser and search for Google Drive for desktop app. Over here, you will find the first link. So you can click over here and you can download the application for Windows or Mac operating system. You can also click on the Microsoft Store if you are using Windows laptop or PC. Over here as well, you can just try searching for Drive. If you are able to find it over here, you can also install the application from here in your device. So once this step is done, during the setup, you need to make sure that you choose the streaming files, or you can also mirror them. After that, you need to open File Explorer and you will see Google Drive listed in the sidebar, and your files will also appear just like the regular folder. You can click on the start menu over here and then tap on the Windows key, or you can start typing the name of the file or the folder over here in the search bar. If the files are mirrored or recently accessed, they will show up instantly over here in the search results, just like the local files. You can click on any one of these and open in the new section, or even with the faster access. So this is how you can access Google Drive using Windows search in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.